Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today my topic for presentation is hafnium. What is hafnium? Hafnium is a chemical element with symbol HF and atomic number 72, a lustrous silvery gray cativalent transition metal. Hafnium chemically resembles zirconium and found in many zirconium minerals. Now we discussed about isotopes of hafnium. Natural hafnium is a mixture of six stable isotopes: hafnium 174, hafnium 176, hafnium 177, hafnium 178, hafnium 179, and 180. This is the structure of hafnium. Because hafnium has atomic number 72, then this is that atomic structure. Two electrons are present in first shell, 8 electrons present in second shell, 18 are present in third, and 32 are present in fourth shell, and 10 and 2 are present in another shell. Extraction techniques. What is extraction? Extraction is actually separation of some material from other material. The current dominates zirconium production route involves pyrometallurgical ore cracking, multi-step hydrometallurgical liquid to liquid for hafnium removal, and reduction of zirconium tetrachloride to pure metal by Kroll process. The drawback of Kroll process is that the reaction is vigorous and thus uncontrollable and gives rise to a number of intermediates with a high volume process slag hinder separation of liberated metal from the rest. In Kroll process, one of the ores, such as illuminator leaf light, that is treated at red heat with carbon and chlorine to yield titanium tetrachloride. It is fractionally distilled to eliminate impurities such as ferric chloride. The Kroll process is hydrometallurgical industrial process used to produce metallic titanium from titanium chloride. The Kroll process replaced the Hunter process for almost all commercial purposes. Similar chemical properties. Now we discuss about what is hydrometallurgy. The hydrometallurgy is the technique within the field of extractive metallurgy, the obtaining of metals from the ores. Hydrometallurgy involves the use of aqueous solution for the recovery of metals from their ores, concentration, recycle or residual materials. Similar chemical properties. Separation of zirconium and hafnium is quite difficult because of length and contraction. Due to length and contraction, they have same size and almost same chemical properties. That's why it is difficult to separate them by chemical methods. Now we discuss what is chemical cleans. Zirconium and hafnium have very similar chemical behavior, having close similar radii and electronic configuration. Radius-dependent properties such as lattice energy, solvent energies, and stability constant complexes are so similar, they are called chemical twins. Zirconium and hafnium have almost all chemical properties same. That's why they are also called chemical twins. Physical properties that do not involve a change in their chemical composition like density, color, have simply physical properties. We have it is shiny and silvery metal exhibiting ductile features. It is usually resistant to corrosion. The impurities present in zirconium highly reacts of hafnium metal. When reacted with water, a thin protective layer is formed on metal. Is formed on metal. First, do not form oxides. Chemical properties that involve a change in the chemical composition, like its melting point is 2,200 degrees centigrade, its boiling point is 50 to 100 degrees centigrade, its density is 13.0 grams centimeter cube, its energy is 0.07 of nanometer. It has 10 isotopes. Uses of hafnium in different applications. It has unique property of capturing neutrons. Its compounds are used in ceramic and alloy industries. It is used as electrode in plasma cutting. It is used in controlled charge in nuclear power plant. It is used in superalloys. The compound hafnium carbide has high melting point. It is more refractory of all binary materials. This compound of hafnium carbide has high melting point. It is more refractory of all materials. Health effects of hafnium. Not hafnium, but compounds of this metal are said to be toxic in nature. These compounds are said to be possess fire hazard and explosive properties. And overexposure of this may cause health disorders such as developing irritation in eyes, mucous membrane, and skin. There are not many environmental impacts shown by hafnium, except few of them occur very rarely. Now we discussed earlier that lanthanides. What is lanthanides? Lanthanides of chemical element comprises 15 metallic chemical elements with atomic number 57 to 71. These elements, along with chemically similar elements, scandium and yttrium, are often collectively called rare earth elements or rare earth metals. Hafnium do not have the compounds of this metal are said to be toxic because they consider to be fire hazard, or if an overexposure of this may cause serious health hazards like developing irritation in eyes, and many others. But they are not many environmental impacts. They occur very rarely.